Hello, welcome to my channel Hari PS Videos. Thanks for subscribing my channel and thank you for watching. And ఇంకొక రిక్వెస్ట్ మళ్ళీ చేస్తున్నాను. దయచేసి మీరు కొంచెం ప్రీవియస్గా అప్లోడ్ చేసినటువంటి వీడియోస్ని కూడా చూస్తూ ఈ రివిజన్ టైంలో అయ్యేటువంటి వీడియోస్ కూడా చూస్తే అది మీకు కొంచెం హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. దట్టు ఇంకేంటంటే వీడియో లెంత్ ఎక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు చూడడం లేదు. దయచేసి చూడండి, ఒక అర్థమవుతుంది మీకు ఎందుకు అంత లెంత్ ఇవ్వాల్సినటువంటి సిచ్యువేషన్ వచ్చింది అనేటువంటిది. రివిజన్ సమయంలో ప్రీవియస్గా అప్లోడ్ చేసినటువంటి వీడియోస్ని కూడా చూస్తూ ఈ రివిజన్ టైంలో చేసేటువంటి రివిజన్ కూడా చూడండి. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయకుంటే లేదా ఇఫ్ యూ డిడ్ నాట్ షేర్ మై ఛానల్ విత్ యువర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఆర్ రిలేటివ్స్ హూ ఆర్ studying class 10 in various schools, please share it, ask them to watch my videos. And most important thing, I am requesting, I requested many times, now also I am requesting very please, I am requesting you, please kindly give a like or a comment. Then when you give the like, when you give the comment, it reaches for many members, right? So thank you so much anyway for watching and for encouraging me. And please, if you didn't share the channel, please share the channel with your friends or the relatives. So my intention is, I did not expect all the 10th class students who are subscribed or watching my videos and then at least 5 to 10 members get the benefit. Then I will be very happy because of very few members are able to understand, because of this is a virtual interaction with you, and it's not a direct interaction. If it is a direct interaction, then result will be very fruitful. So due to the virtual interaction with you, sometimes may not reach properly due to the various reasons. Maybe the length of the video, time constraint of you, because of mostly in all the schools started their revision, no time for watching videos. So whatever, please share, at least during the Sundays, at least during the holidays, you have to watch and revise them properly. Okay, let us start our revision regarding to physics part, light, reflection and refraction. So I already posted the questions or the 100 is in the questions in the form 8 marks questions, 4 marks questions, 2 marks questions, 1 mark questions in my channel. Posted already the pictures, but again I will show you today what we are going to discuss, right? So mainly all these two question model papers or the question answers are related to light, especially for refraction of light and formation of images by lens and mirrors, their uses. So once have a look it, then after we will discuss reflection and refraction level 1 rising star, 4 marks questions. The first 2 marks, first questions are related to refractive index. Then the third question is related to also refraction, refraction and refractive index. Then later one is the image formation by concave mirror and some related problems. Draw the diagrams and ray diagrams which are related to mirrors and lenses. Mirrors and lenses. Then even 2 marks questions also related to mirrors and lenses are there given. Some problems also we will discuss, right? Then coming to the shining star, second level question answers also related to refraction, refractive index problems. Then again also refractive index problems, then focal length related problems, fill the table which are related to formation of image, ray diagrams we will discuss. And then other question answers, 2 marks question answers also we discuss if it is possible based on the time and based on the situation. So these are the question answers. These are whatever I showed, I showcased in the video. I already posted in my channel. Please check them. Or if you have the papers directly, no problem. If not have, then we will. So that's why I sent the photos in the form of post. So let us start our session. Light, reflection of light, refraction of light. Reflection is a bouncing back of light into the same medium when it is incident on any surface. Any surface. So we already discussed the laws of reflection, formation of image by a plane mirror and the characteristics, some activities related to laws of reflection, regular reflection and irregular reflection we already discussed. Then after we discussed reflection of light on a curved mirrors or curved surfaces or curved mirrors. So concave mirror and convex mirror. Then some problems of how the images are formed, some problems already we discussed. So please once watch them, or by reading your textbook, by seeing by watching my videos, by looking in your running notebook, whatever, you have to keep in touch with your subject, by watching the videos, by reading textbook, by reading your running notebook, by practicing problems, by practicing diagrams. So whatever, until completion of your public examination, you must be a connection with your all subjects in a different ways, right? This is a suggestion and a request to you also. Then refraction of light. So what is meant by refraction? The bending of light when the light is passed from one medium to another medium. The reason is the boundary where the two mediums are separated. The boundary where the two mediums are separated. So what will happen? The light is changes direction. So optically rare medium, then optically denser medium. Optically denser medium, normal. So the light travels or passes from optically rare medium to optically denser medium. It bends towards the normal. So here this is the interface of the two medium. At the interface of two mediums, then the speed of the light is changes. Due to that change in the speed of light, it changes direction. So such phenomenon of light we can call as the refraction of light. So then in case of if the light is travel from optically denser medium to rare medium, of light at the interface of two mediums. This refraction of light, is depends on the refractive index. So let us know refractive index, and we know the incident ray, refracted ray, interface, angle of incidence, angle of refraction, all terms we know. Then let us understand refractive index. Because of we have some the question answers. We have the question answer regarding to refraction of light. Refraction of light in that refractive index. The refractive index of medium gives an indication of the light bending ability. Refractive index of the medium gives the bending ability of the light at a particular medium. Refractive index. So refractive index n is equal to speed of light in air. Speed of light in air by speed of light in a medium or any substance or the material. So here instead of A, we need to take medium 1. Here take medium 2. What is a medium? Medium is a material or a substance through which a wave can travel. Medium is a substance or the material through which a light or the sound or the waves can travel. So refractive index is equal to speed of A. So we can write formula n is equal to C by V. Here C is speed of light in vacuum. Here V means speed of light in medium. Whatever the medium is. So when the light passes from one medium to another medium, it changes its direction at which at the interface of the two mediums. Due to change in the speed or change in the velocity of light at the interface of two mediums. Interface is the space or the line it is separate the two mediums. So when light goes from one medium to another medium, then the value of refractive index is called as relative refractive index. When light passes from one medium to another medium, then you can call as relative refractive index. So when the light passes from vacuum to medium, you can call as absolute refractive index. Right? So this is about refractive index. So refractive index is a ratio. Between speed of light in two different mediums. So M is equal to C by V. C means speed of light, V means also speed of light. So that's why refractive index has no units. Or other formula also there, refractive index, sine of angle of incident by sine of angle of refraction. Snell equation. From Snell equation also we can write. So now let us check our answer. Let us check our answers now. Before that, let's understand speed of light in vacuum is a constant. Speed of light in a vacuum is a constant. So n is proportional to 1 by n is proportional to 1 by v. So if the material medium has more refractive index, then the velocity of the speed is less. If the refractive index of the medium is less, then speed of light is more. Speed of light is more. So the medium in which medium the light travel faster, we can call as optically rarer medium. In which medium the light travels slowly or with less speed or less velocity, we can call as optically denser medium. Optically denser medium. Then refractive index, relative refractive index are the very important. So by giving some tabular form, here we ask some questions. Let us discuss the first one. So revision. So that's why I did not explain much. Whatever the important points are required, so then those points only I am explaining here. So revise. That's why I am asking you. Please watch my videos the previously uploaded, or read your textbook, or read your running notebook, whatever you written in your classroom. So before the first question answer, let us discuss these two. So case 1 and case 2. So this is medium. This is medium B, and this is medium A. Then this is medium B, and this is a medium C. So medium C, right? The picture is given like that. Let us and asked some questions. Following diagram shows the refraction of light in two cases. This is following diagram shows the refraction of light in two cases. Answer the questions given below based on the diagrams. I draw the same diagrams. Now, first question is, which medium is optically rarer? Which medium is optically rarer medium among A, B and C? Which medium is rarer medium among A, B and C? A, B and C. Here the light which is passing through medium B and bent towards the normal. We know when the light passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bent towards the normal. So B is the rarer medium and A is the denser medium in case 1. Then coming to the second case. In case of second case, observe that the light ray is moving away from the rarer medium. So away from the normal. So the light ray is passing through denser medium to rarer medium. So it move away from the normal. So among A, B, C is the, so by combination of these two, we can conclude that C is the rarer medium. Then B is the denser medium and A also denser medium. Then next question, which medium is optically denser? Which medium is optically denser? So medium A is the optically denser. Optically denser because of the light ray is bent towards the normal. So when the light passes from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal when it is enters into the denser medium. Enter into the denser medium. This is denser medium. So A is the denser medium. Arrange A, B, C in ascending order with respect to the speed of light. With respect to the speed of light. So just now we discussed refractive index is proportional to 1 by V. Refractive index is proportional to 1 by V. So the medium is, in which medium the light ray is travel faster, that is the rarer medium. In which medium the light ray is passes slower, we can call it the denser medium. So with respect to the speed of light, in which medium the light will move faster? C less than B. A less than B. Less than B. C, B, A. So this is the ascending order of mediums based on the speed. In C, speed travels faster, then B, then A. Then arrange A, B, C in ascending order of their refractive indices. So we know more speed, less refractive index. More speed, less refractive index. More speed here, which one? C. More speed is C. Then B. So A is less than, B is less than C. A less than, B less than C. So in A has more refractive index than B than C. So ascending order. Ascending order of their refractive indices. So this is about ascending order and descending order. Maybe a little bit confusing here. We should write like this. This is speed. This is the speed, and C less than, B less than, A is the refractive index. A less speed than B than C because has more refractive index, medium refractive index, very less refractive. So this is about in this way we are giving pictures, so we will ask some questions. Then let us know any other question answers which are related to this refractive index. We will discuss at a time all. 2 marks questions. A ray of light traveling in air enters obliquely into water. Predict and write whether the light rays bend towards the normal or away from the normal. A ray of light traveling in air enters obliquely into water. Predict and write whether the light ray bends towards the normal or away from the normal. Towards the normal and away from the normal. So light entering from air to water aim to water like this. The question is the light ray bends towards the normal or away from the normal? So it bends towards the normal. It bends towards the normal because of air is a rarer medium, B is water is a denser medium. Just now we discussed when the light ray is passed from rarer medium to denser medium, it bends towards the normal. 2 marks question answers the first one. Then what happens? 7th question. 2 marks question answers the 7th question. What happens when a ray of light strikes the surface of separation between the two media at a right angle? Between the two media at a right angle. What happens when a light ray strikes the surface of separation between the two media at a right angle? So, two mediums, medium A, medium B, if the light passes or strikes the surface normally or perpendicularly with 90 degree, what will happen? So, it moves straight line only. So, no deviation in the direction of light. No deviation in the direction of light because of perpendicular. Perpendicularly there is no change. Then what happens? 9th question. What happens to a light ray travel from denser medium to rarer medium? What happens? Denser medium to rarer medium. It bends away from the normal. So nothing will happen. Next question. Next question is given, if A, B are optical medium of their refractive indices are nearly same, then light travel from A to B, what happens? Or what happens to a light when it travel from one medium to another medium having equal refractive indices? If medium A and medium B having approximately same refractive indices. If the light travels through one medium to another medium, what will happen? So, in this case also, there is no bending of light. Because of the speed of light depends on the refractive index. Speed of light depends on the medium as well as the refractive index. If the two mediums having same refractive indices, so light cannot bend. So, if any two media are optically exactly the same, then no bending occurs when light passes from one medium to another medium. In other words, the refractive indices of two media are equal. Then there will be no bending of light passes from one medium to another medium. So this is about refractive indices based on how the light travels towards the normal or away from the normal. So now some tabular form question answers we will discuss. You must be read the textbook compulsory. Reading textbook is compulsory, right? Because of don't means mostly how the questions will ask and important. So based on the refractive index, based on the medium, such kind of questions will ask by giving some diagram, by testing our knowledge, how the idea about Wechsel medium, laser medium, optical tensor, optical laser, then what is refractive index, what is relative refractive index, what is absolute refractive index. So such a simple concept, simple and important concepts, then the question asked in a different way, we are able to answer them. Otherwise, even you have to unable to write the definitions also, right? So refractive indexes ki సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక ప్రాబ్లం, రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇచ్చారు. ఆ రెండు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు మూడు ఉన్నాయి, మూడింటిని డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. బై టేబులర్ ఫామ్ అడిగితే ఎలా ఆన్సర్ చేయాలి అనేది 4 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, మెటీరియల్ మీడియం given air, ice, ruby, benzene given their refractive index and also given refractive index. Two question numbers ki same table formula icharu, but questions 9 questions. 8 1.0003, ice 1.31, ruby 1.71, benzene 1.50. So this is the problem. This is the question given. Material medium and their refractive indices. Material medium and refractive indices. Questions: which material medium light travels faster? So we must know the relation between refractive index and speed. In which material medium light travel faster and less refractive index? Among these three, which one has less refractive index? A. So A. First question answer is A. In air, light travels fast. Then, in which material medium the speed of light is least? So the material medium which has more refractive index, the speed of the light is less. So ruby is the answer. Third, what is the speed of light in air? So approximately we can take 3 into carbon, vacuum at 3 into 10 power 8, 3 into 10 power 8 meter. So speed of light nothing but approximately equal to the speed of light in vacuum. So 3 into 10 power 8 meter by second. So when we compare the refractive indexes of air and medium can be called refractive index of that medium. So the speed of light in air. So speed of light in air 3 into 10 power 8 meter by second. Calculate the speed of light in benzene. So here given for us to speed of light in air or vacuum, we know 3 into 10 power 8 meter by second. Then refractive index of benzene. Refractive index of benzene 1.50. So what we need to find here? Speed of light in benzene. So refractive index n is equal to C by V. C means speed of light in air or speed of light in vacuum. V means speed of light in a medium. So we can write here speed in air or vacuum are divided by speed in benzene. We need to find this speed in benzene. Right. From this V is equal to, we can write C by N. That is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by 1.50. 3 into 10 power 3 10 power 8 by 1.50. We can write 3 into 10 power 8 by 1.50 versus 150 by 100. So that is equal to 3 into 10 power 8. ఇక్కడ 0 get cancel అవుతుంది. Then 15 by 10. Then we can write 3 into 10 power 8 into 10 by 50. That is equal to 3 into 10 power 9 by 50. 3 10 power 9. So 3 1s are 3 5s are 3 1s are 3 5s are. So 1 by 5 into 10 power 9. By simplification చేసుకొని మనం చేసుకుంటే ఒక సమ్ వాల్యూ అనేది వస్తుంది అన్నమాట. ఒక వాల్యూని మనము తీసుకోవచ్చు. Because in this way the problems will come. లేదు సొల్యూషన్ రావట్లేదు అంటే ఇక్కడికే మనం స్టాప్ చేసుకుని ఉంటాం. 1/5 అంటే 0. ఓకే దెన్ లెట్ us 10 power 9 కదా తీసుకొని 1/5 into 10 power 9. You can write 1/5 into 10 power 8 into 10. 10 power 8 into 10. Then you can write 2. So 2 into 10 power 8 meter by 2 into 10 power 8 meter by second కి లేదంటే కొంచెం ఒక వాల్యూ అటు ఇటు వస్తుందని ఛాన్స్ ఉంటుంది. సో సింప్లిఫికేషన్ ఇస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్. So approximately glass and benzene refractive index equal approximately in the value 2 into 10 power 8 meter by second. These are the some questions. Then another questions. Which material medium is optically rarer? So in optical rarer medium the speed of light is more. Among these A is acts as a optically rarer medium. So ruby acts as a optically denser medium. Air acts as a optically rarer medium. Ruby acts as a optically denser medium. Write the relation between refractive index and speed of light in medium. The relation between this is the relation between refractive index and the speed of light. Speed of light in a medium, n proportional to 1 by v. N proportional to 1 by v. What is the SI unit of refractive index? It has no unit. Refractive index, relative refractive index, absolute refractive index has no units. No units because of this is the ratio. This is the ratio between same kind of quantities. What is the quantity here? Speed or velocity. Speed or velocity. In n is equal to c by v. C, speed of light. In air or vacuum, v, velocity or speed of light in a medium. So similar quantities ఉన్నప్పుడు we get ratio. So ratio has no units. Very important. మిమ్మల్ని కన్ఫ్యూజ్ చేయడానికి ఎగ్జామ్లో ఇలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగడానికి చాలా ఛాన్సెస్ ఉంటాయి. కాబట్టి రిఫ్రాక్టివ్ ఇండెక్స్కి ఎలాంటి యూనిట్స్ ఉండవు. నో యూనిట్స్ అనేది మనం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా గుర్తుపెట్టుకోవాలి. దెన్ అరేంజ్ ద అబోవ్ మెటీరియల్ మీడియా ఇన్ ద అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్. విత్ రెస్పెక్ట్ టు ద స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్. అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్. అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ ఎక్కడ ఫాస్ట్ ఉంటుంది? అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ స్లో, లెస్ టు మూవ్. ఎక్కడ లెస్ ఉంటుంది? రూబీ. So ruby, then speed of light in ruby is less. Then after benzene, then after ice, then after air. So ruby is less than benzene, less than ice, less than air, less than air. So this is the other one. Similarly, other questions also given based on the refractive indices. Refractive indices, but not this tabular form. The other tabular form is given to us. Let us take that. Material medium, refractive index, air. 3 into 10 power 8, water 9 by 4 into 10 power 8, benzene. Just now we calculated 2 into 10 power 8, 2 into 10 power 8, then diamond which is 5 by 4 into 10 power 8. So these are the material mediums and the refractive indices. Speed of light, not refractive index, speed of light. Speed in meter by second or meter by second units. Observe the tabular form, then try to give the answers. In which material medium light travels faster? In which material medium light travels faster? Air. 3 into 10 power 8. This is approximately 4. 2.5 into 1 point. Okay. Then, in which material medium light travels slowest? Diamond. Those are 5 by 4 and 1.5. 4 1 4. Here 1.25, here 2, 2.5, 3. So question, in which material medium light travels lowest? Diamond. Diamond. Which material medium has the least refractive index? Least refractive index. Speed of light more and it has least refractive index. Air has a least refractive index. 1.003. 1.003. 1.003. Okay. Then, which material medium has the greatest refractive index? Greatest refractive index. So, in which medium the speed of light is less? In which medium the speed of light is less? So, that has more refractive index. Diamond. Diamond has a refractive index 2.42. The refractive index of diamond is 2.42. So, speed of light is less. Calculate the refractive index of benzene. Calculate the refractive index of benzene. A formula is so N is equal to C by V. C by V is speed in air. Speed in air how much given? 3 into 10 power 8. 3 into 10 power 8 by velocity or speed of light in benzene already given. 2 into 10 power 8. 2 into 10 power 8. 10 power 8 to 10 power 8 to get cancelled. Remaining 3 by 2. 3 by 2 and 1.50. Refractive index of benzene. Refractive index of benzene is 1.50. See here, refractive index of benzene is 1.50. In this way, the problems or the questions will ask in examination by giving refractive indexes values. Then ask the calculate the speed of light by giving speed of light different medium. Ask calculating refractive indices. Refractive indices. Then one more tabular form also given for us. One more tabular form also given regarding to this refractive indices. Refractive indices. Material medium refractive index. So additional look at that ice, water, kerosene, benzene, rock salt, diamond. Additionally, air, ice, benzene, one more, rock salt, diamond, kerosene are the substances given their refractive indices. Instead of ruby, here we can write water refractive index 1.31, benzene 1.50, rock salt 1.54, diamond 2.42, kerosene 1.4. These are the refractive indices are given. This one, medium, air, ice, water, kerosene, benzene, diamond. Refractive indices 1.31, 1.31, 1.44, 1.50, 1.54, 2.54. Questions. Let us discuss. What happened to the speed of light passing from water to rock salt? Water to rock salt. Water to rock salt. Water to rock salt. What will happen? See, there are refractive indices. Water 1.31. Water 1.31. Then rock salt 1.54. By comparing these two, water has less refractive index. Water has a less refractive index. Rock salt has more refractive index. Less refractive index and the speed of light in water is more. Then speed of light in rock salt less in rock salt. So we know in which medium the light travels faster is a rarer medium. In which medium light speed of light is less or moves slower is a denser medium. So light traveling from rarer medium to denser medium. What happened? Rarer medium to denser medium, the light bends towards the normal. The light ray bends towards the normal. What happened to the speed of light when light is passing from water to rock salt? Bends towards the normal. Second, whether the refracted ray bends towards normal or away from the normal when light ray travel from bending to A. So before question, what happened in light passing from water to rock salt? Now question is, what happened when light passes from bending to A? So bending has more refractive index than the A. Bending has more refractive index than the A. So speed of light is lesser. Speed of light is more. So less and denser medium. More and rarer medium. So denser medium to rarer medium, what will happen? Light bends away from the normal. Light bends away from the normal. The refractive index of diamond is 2.4. What is the meaning of this statement? So refractive index of diamond is 2.4 and has more refractive index. So speed of light is less. Speed of light is lesser. And it acts as a denser medium. Speed of light is less because of more refractive index. Optically denser medium. Diamond is a optically denser medium. Then one more question. What is the reason for refractive index of kerosene is more than the refractive index of water? So the refractive index of material depends on the speed of light. The speed of light depends on the medium. So medium is a substance or a material where the light or the wave can travel. The speed of light depends on the intermolecular spaces between the particles. So depending upon the intermolecular spaces, depending upon how the particles of medium are arranged, based on that refractive is different. The speed of light is different for different material medium. So refractive index is with refractive index of kerosene is differ with or more than the refractive index of water. This is the reason. So we discussed all the question answers which are related to refractive indices. Any question answers? Okay, all the question answers are discussed based on the refractive indices. Okay, thank you. Within more time, approximately 55 minutes. So please read your textbook or watch my previous videos regarding to refractive index.